Hello guys, my name is Sarah. So, lately, I have been keeping myself updated on our newest technology, which is the 5G. What is exactly 5G technology? 5G technology is a global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G, and also 4G networks. It is designed to connect virtually with everyone and everything, includes machine and also devices. So, what is so special about 5G? 5G is actually a wireless technology which delivers a high multi-Gbps peak data speeds. It has ultra low latency, massive network capacity, new user experience, and also high performance and improved efficiency. Now, let's see the difference between previous generation of network with 5G. The first generation is in 1980s. It delivered analog voice. The second generation in 1990s introduced us to a digital voice CDMA code division multiple access. During the third generation in 2000, it has brought a mobile data which is CDMA 2000, and during the fourth generation, it is the era of mobile broadband. Next, we will see on the 5G wireless network. 5G wireless network is more capable of air interference, extended capacity, it has superior reliability, you can neglect the latency, remote healthcare, precise agriculture, and also digitized logistics. So, now let's see our next topic.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nizar from Group A. Is it 5G is better than 4G? Yes, 5G has a potential 100 times more faster than 4G because 5G is built on the super high frequency A wave, also known as a high band spectrum. With this speed, we can download 2 hours movie less than 10 seconds. For the second one, 5G has a lower latency than 4G. But what is latency? Latency is time taken for the information to travel between 2 points. For the 4G, it has a latency of 50 milliseconds, but for the 5G, it has only 1 milliseconds. Third one, 5G has more bandwidth than 4G. 4G use a bandwidth between the 600 MHz to 2.5 MHz, but for the 5G it is divided into 3 different bands. Each band has its own frequency, range, and speed, and will have a different application and use for the consumer, business, and industries. As we all know, 5G was launched in early 2019, and in 2020, more than 35 countries already started developing the 5G network. In the next 3 years, 5G is expected to have 1 billion users. But it is available in Malaysia. 5G is not available in Malaysia yet, but still in testing phase. For the first time, Malaysia testing the 5G network on the Pulau Langkawi on the 9 January 2020, collaboration of TM with the DG. So maybe it takes a while for the Malaysia to have a 5G network technology. our Minister of Communication and Multimedia, Datuk Saifuddin bin Abdullah, he says that 5G network expected to be available in the late 2022 or early 2023. He also stated that in terms of connectivity, it is useless if we have 5G in some areas when even 4G and other are still not available in the rural areas. So since the COVID-19, the student have to implement the online teaching for their studies. So the government want more focus to have more internet network in the rural area. So maybe it takes a while for the Malaysia to have a 5G.
Hello, my name is Tenkar. I would like to present how does 5G affect business. The three main field 5G will affect the enhanced mobile broadband, which is EMBB, and massive Internet of Things (IoT), and mission critical service. Okay, what is enhanced mobile broadband EMBB, which is the fast connection, high throughput, and greater capacity up to 10 gigabytes. What is used for? Use case of EMBB is the online examination, online meeting without any delay, without any latency, and high definition cloud gaming, which means you can buy a very low spec computer just for using for control. And all the gaming setups at the top. You can just use a very low spec computer and play a very high definition gaming. Okay. This is the massive content streaming service, which means you can see very high definition movie, Full HD, 4K, 8K without any delay. Okay, next is the massive internet of things. MIoT require huge volume of low-cost energy consumption device on a network with excellent coverage. The use case is in a smart cities and smart home. Which means you can the smart city is require a lot of the CCTV, so a lot of CCTV to monitoring cities. So with a very low energy and low cost device, okay, consumption device, and smart home and utility monitoring. This is the use case of the MIoT. Next is the mission critical service. SCS require high reliability, ultra low latency connection with strong security. Use case got autonomous vehicle, drones, and robots, and health monitoring system. For example, you don't need to go to the hospital or clinic. Just stay at home and using some device to scan the data, send the doctor. The doctor receive data with some transaction. And factory automation, remote operation. Okay, next. How and when will 5G affect the global economy? This is the data from the IHS market. Okay, based on the data, you can know that the 5G enabled output in 2025, the most 5G enabled output is the manufacturing field, which is 3,364. The second is the info and communication field. And the lowest is the art and entertainment field, which is the 65 million. And next is the IHS also, which is the overall 5G value change of the deployment in 2035. And the most gross output in the world is China. Gross output is 182 4 billion and the employment is 5.5 million. And second most is the United States, which is gross up is 790 billion. Employment is 3.4 billion. The global total gross output on the 2035 is 3.5 trillion and employment is 82 million. Okay, thank you. This is my presentation.